Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. All right, so this next video is on Hermetics and the laws of rhythm. And when you're working any particular exercise, you'll notice that there's a principle of rhythm inside your development process. So you get a certain result and it requires a certain amount of will. And the second time you go back to doing that exercise, you need a little bit less will to maintain that result, to get to the same place. So each time you practice, you can generate the same level of energy with less effort. And what's happening is that particular state is being polarized and equalized inside your field of consciousness. So you have a particular frequency, a frequency of metta, love, compassion. It might just be awareness of vital energy. And there's a certain level of effort and concentration required to achieve it. Each time you practice, you require less effort, less concentration to get to the same place. So you're essentially polarizing that state, equalizing with that state. And this is a law of rhythm that's coming into play, where there's a type of critical mass which is building to get you into that place. Now, once you get to the place where you can just observe the frequency and pure attention maintains that state, that's when you ramp up your will and move up to the next level of development. So you build the energy up, you have a strong will to achieve something, and then you need less and less will to maintain it until just plain attention holds that energetic state. Then you go to the next level. And using this method of development allows you to very, very quickly equalize with your base level of skill and move the base up to the next level of skill, move it up to the next level. Now, in opposition to this, let's say you hold a really high amount of will on an energy all the time and it pushes you up. The moment you pull back from this, the energy is going to rhythmically swing. The law of rhythm is going to work against you and it's going to pull you down. Now, to get to that same place, peak that you had before, you have to pull yourself up to that very, very high rhythmic peak and then maintain the will there. So it becomes a lot of effort. And then you have to deal with the energy crashing afterwards. So to avoid this rhythmic pullback and swing in your energy field and your results and your feelings, and your emotions and your physiology, we want to apply our will and then stabilize and maintain. And then apply the will to the next level, stabilize and maintain. So we use the law of rhythm to support your development. Okay, so revision. Apply will to get to a point, and then pay attention and reduce the amount of will to maintain that state until you just maintain the state with pure attention. Once it's equalized with pure attention, intend and then ramp the energy back up and then pay attention to it, applying lesser and lesser amounts of will till it's stable. So in regards to Tai Chi listening energy, they say Tai Chi is listening, that your attention to discerning the energy builds the energy. And this is how that listening energy is achieved using the law of rhythm. Okay, I hope this helps with your Qigong Tai Chi journey and with your Hermetics training. And I will see you on the next video. Thank you for your time.